member of the President's Association?
It's me.
I really need for you to talk to Jessica or something and see if she wants to be in the President's Association. So if you could do that now, that'd be nice. Thanks.
Yeah, whatever. I'll text her. Dear Jessica, I just was told to invite you to join the President's Association.
Did you order a pizza?
No, send.
Are you sure?
No, I didn't order a pizza. I didn't order a pizza.
Oh, look! A text. Dear Jessica, I was just told to ask you to join the President's Assassination. Why not?
Order a pizza.
Mr. President!
Did I get a tip?